everyone, hope you're doing good. Let's start today's video by greeting you all a happy Mother's Day. They love us so much and sacrifice a lot for us. Thank you for everything. Today we're making a bread pudding. Here are the ingredients. 1 slice of bread, 1 egg, 1.5 tablespoons of sugar, 5 tablespoons of milk, 1 tablespoon of raisins, 1 tablespoon of chocolate chips, 1 tablespoon of melted butter, 2 pinches of cinnamon powder, 1/4 tablespoon of vanilla essence. Now let's start making the bread pudding. Take a coffee mug or a small bowl. Crack an egg and put it in a bowl. Now add milk. Now add sugar. Now add melted butter. Now add cinnamon powder. Now mix well with a fork. After mixing well, add raisins. Now add chocolate chips. Add vanilla essence. Now mix it well again. Cut the bread slice into small cubes. Now add bread cubes into the bowl. Now dip the bread cubes using the fork. You can add a few chocolate chips on the top. Leave it for 5 to 10 minutes until the ingredients get into the bread. Now put it in the oven for a minute. After a minute, you'll see a nice bread pudding. You can serve the pudding with a scoop of ice cream on top of it. Thank you. Now enjoy the pudding.